Hello, this is Mr. Barr, and I'm going to do the work that goes with scaled area. So let's start the assignment. All work must be done in your math notebook. Got it. Write down the original problem. Got it. If there's a figure, you must draw the figure. Got it. Use the check answer feature. Got it. I understand the instructions. Okay, so I do have a notebook right here, ready to go. So question number 2, I have 1/4 inch equals 2 feet. So 1.5 inches. So 1.5, that's 1/4, that's 6 1/4, right? So 1.5 equals 12 feet, right? Because if I did it with a, so that's a fourth plus a fourth plus a fourth plus a fourth plus a fourth, right? It's 6 1/4, so it's 6 2s. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is 12 feet. You know, I didn't use the check answer feature. Okay. Number 3, 1/2 inch equals 5 feet. And I need 2.5 inches. So 2.5, so that means 1 inch equals 10 feet. And I need 2.5. So if I multiply this by 2.5 and that by 2.5, it'll work. So that's going to be 25 feet. Okay, 1/8 of an inch. So 1/8 of an inch equals 1 foot. Okay, so what does 1 inch equal? Well, 1 inch would equal, right? I would need 8 of these to make an inch, which means I need 8 of those, so it's 8 feet. So 1 inch equals 8 feet, and I have 1.5 inches. So let's multiply both sides by 1.5. So 8 times 1.5. And that's going to be 12. A fourth of an inch equals 2.5 feet. So a fourth, so I need 4/4 to make an inch. So 1 inch equals 4 times that, which is 10 feet. So 1/4 inch equals 2.5 feet. 1 inch equals 10 feet. And we've got 3.25. So we're going to do 3.25 times 10. And that's going to give us 32.5. A 1/2 inch equals 10 feet. This is number 6. So what does 1 inch equal? So 1 inch equals 20 feet. And we have 3.25 feet. So 20 times 3.25. 20 times 3.25. 20 times 3.25. That gives me 65 feet. Okay, it said to draw the figures, so I will be drawing the figures for this. And it's telling me that each square is 1.5 feet. So I come over here, 1.5, 1.5, 1.5, 1. So that's 5 times 1.5. That gives me 7.5. And how many squares is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares. So 1.5 times 9. Multiply those two numbers. It gives me 101.25. That was question number 7. you're going to see right away, I'm just going to break it into the shapes. So I have a triangle and a rectangle. The rectangle, it looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squares. And each square is 2 feet. So 9 times 2, that's 18. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 16. And the triangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is 12. Okay, so 18 times 16 gives me 288. And 8 times 12 divided by 2 gives me 48. And I add together the numbers, and I get 336. So what do I have here? I have a half circle, a half circle, which really together just makes a full circle, right? And a rectangle. So it looks like the rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You know what? Let me draw on this so you can see what I'm doing. What I'm doing is I'm breaking it right here and right there. And that's actually a full circle when I put those two halves together. Okay, so the rectangle is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And each square is 5, so 9 times 5, which is 45. And is it 4? 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 20. And then the radius of this is 1, 2, which is 10. So my radius is 10. So that's for my circle. So my rectangle is 20 times 45, that's 900. And my circle is pi r squared, which is 3.14 times 10 times 10, which is 100, which is 314. Now I know you're like, oh, but Mr. Barr, divide it by 2 because that's half a circle. Well, yeah, I could divide it by 2, but then I'd have to double it because it's a full circle. So I'm just going to keep it as 3.14 or 314. 314 plus 900, 1,214. And I'm on to question number 10. And I'm going to draw the picture, kind of like a red cross type of thing. A green cross type of thing. And really this is, no, it's not perfect. Okay, so this is 2 by 3. Okay, let's break this thing up. This is 3, 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so all these are 3. So this is 3, which is 2.5 times 3 is 7.5. So this is 7.5. And then here it's times 2, 1, 2, so 2.5 times 2, so this is 5. So all of these little kind of rectangle things right here, boom. So if you look at all of those, each of those is 5 times 7.5. So 5 times 7.5, that's 37.5. So this is 37.5, but I need 4 of those, which gives me 150. Okay, so I've taken care of, not that. I've taken care of this one, that one, that one, and that one. And now the center one is actually, what is that? 7.5 by 7.5. So 7.5 times 7.5. That middle one is 56.25. And I'm going to add the numbers together. And I get 150 plus 56.25, 206.25. Okay, number 11. Gotta draw the paper. Okay, 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot. Okay, so if 1/4 equals 1 foot, 1 inch equals 4 feet. Cool. So this is 1 inch, so this is 4 feet. And this is 1¼ inches, so 1.25 times 4. That means this is 5 feet, which means this is 20. Let's see, what number was that? That was number 11. All right, 1 inch equals 1 foot. That's the same scale. So, excuse me, 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot. So 1 inch equals 4 feet. So this is 1¼ times 4. So this is 5. This is 1 times 4. So this is 4. Now the circle, well, we know the diameter of the circle is 5. So the radius of the circle is 2.5. So let's go pi r squared, and then we'll divide that by 2 because we only want half of a circle. So 3.14 times 2.5 squared. So I've got it as, ooh, does it say any rounding? Nope, so I guess I'm not going to round it. 9.8125 plus that 20, so 29.8125. Let me go back and do a check answer on that first. $13. I've got this funny little house thing. A 1/2 inch equals a foot, so a full inch equals 2 feet. So 1 inch equals 2 feet. So 1 inch, this is 1 inch, so that's 2 feet. And this is 1¼ inches, so it's 2 times 1.25, which is 2.5 feet. And then this is 1 inch, so that means the height of this is 2 feet. Okay, so let's do the rectangle. So 2 times 2.5 is 5. And then this is 2 times 2, right? Base times height divided by 2. 2 times 2 divided by 2, which is 2. So I think it's going to be 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. And our final one. Circle. Whatever. And triangle. Okay. So 1 inch, a 1/2 inch equals 3 feet. So a full inch equals 6 feet. So 1 inch equals 6 feet. This is 1 inch. So this distance right here, this is 6 feet. This is 0.75 times 6, so this is 4.5 feet. And then this is also going to be 4.5 feet. Okay, so let's do this one. 4.5 times 6. This is 27. This is 6 times 4.5 divided by 2, which is 13.5. And then this, so if the diameter is 6, the radius is 3, so pi r squared, but I only want half of the circle. Which gives me 14.13. And I have to add these all together. And that gives me 54.63. And 100%. All right, thanks for watching. Have a good day.